Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Citibank statement online. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, simply go and sign in to citi.com. And you'd like, of course, to sign into your account if you have an account. And if you don't, you'll need to go and open an account. As you can see, you can open a checking account. You can choose maybe Access, the most cheap one. Click on open an account. And as you can see, you'll have to fill up your basically personal information and all the information is asked. For the application, you'll need to go and download it and sign in again using the user ID or Touch ID or even Face ID if you enable it, or register for an account if you don't have an account yet. And now, how to get your statement online. Normally, statements will be sent to the email every single month to the email that you created the Citibank account with. You'll get, as an example, I don't know, let's just type here Gmail which is my email provider that I'm using. And as an example, you can look for Citibank emails that they sent you. Maybe as an example, this is the email that they sent you. This is the statement, like monthly statement that they sent you. You'll find the link as an example on it. You can click on that link, maybe like this here or something like that. And once you click on it, you should find yourself with your statement here as an example. So of course, this is different like email for a different reason. That's why you don't find it. And of course, if you don't want like that, you can get your statement another option. Like an example, I'll just type here Citibank demo to show you. Yeah, I'm just going to show you an example. Let's say you logged in into your account or something like that. And normally, to get your statement, you will find yourself normally in the main menu. So here, and here as an example, you can go here, click as example on balance and information reporting. And here you should find statement, yeah, as example account statements right here. And yeah, and normally, because I'm using a demo account, they'll tell me, oh, like choose the accounts group, choose the etc. But normally you should have like one account, or if you have multiple, just choose the account that you want as example, and you can click on continue. And you'll be able to see, as you can see, it will be available online. You can simply just click on it. This is basically like the link that you will get through your email. And through that link, basically, you'll be able to download the statements as I did right now. So, for example, maybe the link will be like that, and you'll be able to download the statements like this. So, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.